I ain't no bird. I'm a boss. I ain't no bird. You could get lost. I ain't no bird. I'm a boss. I ain't no bird. You could get lost.
I tell a bitch like BMJ 100 though. You know, I'm doing my solo thing now. You know, I just dropped a single on iTunes called "Save for the Birds." Y'all gotta go cop that for me one time. You feel me? A lot of times. I mean, you can go get it 4 times. I don't really care. You feel me? Man, I got like 4 platinums, 2 golds. It's nothing, you know. I done that in the group, but I'm really trying to do it, you know, by myself because, you know, all that ain't nothing, you know. You got to keep it going because people nowadays, you know, got a short attention span. You know what I mean? They lose attention. They ain't worried about what you got going on. You gotta kill the market. You gotta flood. Try to make a difference by you know, doing what I want to do, doing what I like to do, you know, making music, wearing what I want to wear, you know what I mean, not caring about what others think of me or say about me. You know, you may have heard the saying, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words would never hurt, right? For sure, 100 though. I live with that. I really don't give a care, what anybody say about me. You know, I do what I want, you know what I mean, and I believe in what I believe in. I didn't go to college, you know, but I did graduate high school, and I followed my dream. My dream is to, you know, become a rap superstar, you know, because I like to write, I like to talk, I like to give advice, you know, and a lot of people don't listen. They don't listen to the next person because they think like, oh, you just like me, why should I listen to you? What I think about that, you know, I'm like, why should I waste my time telling you? But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do what I like. I'm gonna make music.
I ain't no bird. I'm a boss. I ain't no bird. You could get lost. I ain't no bird. I'm a boss. I ain't no bird.
What's up? You got that thing?
Got that.
Let's do it.
That work.
100. You know, what I notice is a lot of people love music and they listen to music. So if I'm just that confident enough to go out there in the world and, you know, speak my advice and give advice to the world and these kids and stuff like that, I'm gonna do it on this music because that's what they want to listen to. I'm gonna take a party beat and go serious on that party beat because that's what they're gonna listen to. It's gonna make them move, you know, it's gonna make them groove.
What's up?
It's good.
Nice.
Yeah.
You getting real beefy now.
You cool?
You see, I
Yeah,
have to
I
Alright there, bro.
I do it in a pop way because I'm a pop artist signed to Warner Brothers. I'm not even a hip hop artist, but I make hip hop music, you feel what I'm saying? So I can be serious on a pop song and you gonna listen to it. And it's gonna sell a lot more records than my regular urban song because that's a pop track. You feel where I'm coming from? I don't know. But that's when I say I do everything. I'm diverse.
Straight up.
And that's why I fuck with Cooper 9. That's one of the biggest reasons why I mess with Cooper 9 because they diverse. They style, you feel me? They got like a rock style, they got like a punk rocker style, a skater style, they got a hip hop style. You can't even tell what style they got because they got so much style. Save for the Birds on iTunes, you need to go get that. Tell your girl save for the birds, tell the dude if he talking that BS, save for the birds, man, get up out of here. Cooper 9. BNJ 100 though.